and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. If you guys have not seen my last two videos on the KX, you guys should go check that out before you watch this one. It's kind of like I guess a mini series. I've had, this is my third episode so far. 4 days ago, I went and picked this bike up. Yesterday, we rode it for the first time, and today, we're actually gonna test its capabilities. I got it all dialed in yesterday. Today's the day where we need to start sending some jumps. Now, as you guys can see, I do kind of have to get some stuff ready before we can leave, so I do need to hop on that, but so far, I'm loving this bike, guys. I love having a change up. It's one of the only bikes I haven't owned yet. I've owned most of the major brands. I was gonna get a YZ450, but I wanted to change it up, and that's what I did, and I'm loving it so far. Now, guys, I know I'm lacking on the car content, but I promise next week, I'm gonna have a car video for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this moto content. I've kind of been getting back into riding, hence why I bought this new bike, but I hope you guys like watching it because I love making it. So, without further ado, we're gonna put on the GoPro after we do my air filter, put the trailer on the truck, and drive all the way to the track, which you guys aren't gonna see, but I'm gonna catch you guys on my GoPro. Alrighty, guys, we made it to the track. There are so many people here. It is honestly ridiculous. It's stupid how many people are out here. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna sit here. But I don't know if you guys can see, but there's dust everywhere. There's people all over the track. So we're gonna take it easy for the first couple laps. Good thing is I know this track and we came here 2 weekends ago, so I do kind of know what to expect. But as you can see, people out here like training for Loretta's, dude. There's even a videographer out here, bro. What? Also, if you can't tell, you're probably wondering,
Ryan, why are your gloves mixed matched?
Well, I gotta buy new ones and I'm broke because I just bought this Cowie. All right, here we go, boys. Big rush here, and we're gonna let everybody pass. Dude, this is scary. So many people. Ah! Low-key not even enjoyable, I'm not gonna lie. Easy, baby. A little fast, dude. I'm used to riding that 250. This 450 just gets over it so easy. If you guys remember, 3 or 4 videos ago, I just stalled it. Nice. I came here on Seth's dirt bike. I had to get used to the 250, man. It's very different. That guy's not in a good spot to be videoing. It's hard to find neutral on this bike. There we go. Cool. Got it. Easy, baby. It's so easy on this 450, man. There's so much more effort on the 250. Guys, I'm trying to focus on that jump over there and get it down. Man, I'm just not feeling 100% comfortable being back on the track. But that's okay. We're out here practicing. We're having fun. I really want to hit this jump. That one was really good. Watch this. Where's all the stands? We need the stands.
You're gonna have to give me a minute. It takes me a while to get up.
Okay. It's not hurting it. All right, boys, I'm not exactly sure what this practice session holds. We're going back out for the 3rd time. I really want to hit this jump right here. If it was more of a tabletop, it'd be fine, but as soon as the landing comes, it's got a little lip right at the top. So if you case it, it's gonna hurt. But at the same time, I'm a vagina. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? I don't understand people that do that, dude. Literally, like, what a dummy. I'm getting to the point now where I can kind of getting my timing back, being on the 450. I just really want to hit that one. I'm gonna find someone who's hitting it and follow. Oh my God, Seth jumped really far on that. All right, guys, here's my plan for sizing up this jump. I found a guy that's similar to my skill level. I'm gonna follow him. I'm not gonna hit it the first time. Well, I might. I don't know yet. And then gauge it from there. Let's go, boys! 3rd gear cruising. Let's go. I'm excited, boys. Been wanting to hit that shit all day, and we did it. We sized it up. We got it done. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Starting to get really happy with this bike, guys. I'm starting to feel comfortable. Starting to feel comfortable, starting to feel it. Oh, sketchy sand. Oh, stalled it again, dude. This bike's so hard to find neutral in. Ah, sand. Ah, sand. Am I recording? Yeah. All right, you're coming with me. I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do, and you're gonna do it, and you're gonna build your confidence, and then you're gonna be fired up.
And I'm gonna crash.
No, you're not gonna crash. Hey, don't throw my stand. Seth hasn't hit anything all day, so I'm gonna walk him through this jump right here. It's the most simple and small jump on the track. I say small, but it's pretty fast. So, all right, you ready? We're gonna go down here to that tree all the way down there. Yep, down there. We're gonna turn around and we're gonna hop on the straightaway. You're gonna go through first, second, third, shift up to fourth, and then you're just gonna cruise all the way over this. If you're in fourth gear, you won't come up short. You ready? You did it? How was it?
It was fine. I think I was just like a hair short.
Hair short? Let's go. Short. That's okay. Just fourth cruising, going up the face, just kind of, you know.
See me hit it?
Huh?
Hit the big one.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Did you follow anybody or did you just send it?
By myself.
You sent it. Attaboy. You totally can. You know, it's kind of at an angle. So you're not necessarily going straight up the face. You're kind of going and just a little bit of an angle. So you know how this one, you're kind of just cruising over it? This one up the face, since it's so steep, you do have to, yeah, that's about it. I sit down up it. I think sitting down's easier over it because it's just so steep. All right, you ready?
I went like halfway.
Halfway?
I got choked up, but like I jumped it about halfway. I think I can do that no problem.
Yeah. You want to send it? Let's do it. Going for it. Attaboy! Let's go! Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. We got some good riding in today. It's always fun coming out here to the track and pushing your limits a little bit, getting out of your comfort zone, hitting some jumps. So much fun. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. I'm done. It was real and it was fun, and it was damn sure real fun. Stay tuned for more moto content. We're gonna see him in the next one, right? Yeah. And me out, and me out. Hit my GoPro. Oh God.